Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Google Classroom. After that you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.